Here's a GRE function question. Let's take a look. For all values of a, g of a is equal to a plus 2. So that's our kind of base function here. So then it says if g of 2p equals 20, then what is the value of g of 5 minus p? Woo, a lot going on here. And again, let's go back to our base function. And what I tell my students when they struggle with functions is give yourself a little bit of a warm-up, right? Before you play sports, you stretch. So here's what I mean by that. What is g of 1, right? If I just plug in 1 for a. G of 1 is equal to 1 plus 2. Okay. What's g of 2? Well, g of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. What's g of Bob? Let's think about it in generic terms. Well, it's Bob plus 2. Now I'm thinking like a robot. Good. Stop thinking at all and just apply the next thing I say. What is g of 2p? Well, g of 1, g of 2, g of Bob. So g of 2p is just going to be 2p plus 2. That's easy. I just use the formula. And what it tells me is this thing, 2p plus 2, is equal to 20. Well, now I can solve for p, right? 2p plus 2 is equal to 20. And when I solve that, I subtract 2 and I divide both sides by 2. I get 18 divided by 2, so p is 9. Then I go to this and say g of 5 minus 9, well, that's g of negative 4. G of negative 4, just apply the same thing that we've been doing, right? G of negative 4 is negative 4 plus 2. So the correct answer here is negative 2. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my online course, follow the link in my profile.